Why are so many people jumping ship from carnivore? You've seen it. I quit carnivore, it ruined my health, and I'm adding fruit back. But what is really happening here? Did the carnivore diet fail, or are people misunderstanding how to use it properly? Hi, friends. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, Professor Emerita, and a primal health coach. Carnivore didn't wreck my health, it restored it. After 6 years of being on the ketogenic diet, it was finally what reversed my hypertension, eliminated all joint pain, and got me off the metabolic merry-go-round. Today, I'm breaking down why some people struggle while others thrive, and how you can make keto or carnivore work for your biology long term. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They leap straight in from the standard American diet into strict carnivore. That's like going for uh, that's like going from walking laps to running a marathon barefoot. I always recommend starting with keto. That's your foundation. It stabilizes blood sugar, it retains metabolism, and it reduces cravings. Then, if you need deeper healing for autoimmune issues, inflammation, gut repair, carnivore becomes the advanced tool. Keto and carnivore, they're not rivals. They're teammates, part of the same metabolic strategy. And when I hit my goal weight, just 3 pounds to go, I'll reintroduce a day of keto, use PSMF days to manage maintenance, and keep carnivore days because that is where I feel best. And I'll tell you this, if I ever went back to the standard American diet, I would end up right back where I started, inflamed, exhausted, and on medications. That's not going to happen to me. So most people don't fail carnivore. They fail the adaptation phase. When carbs are dropped, the body sheds glycogen, and along with it comes water, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. And if you don't replace them, you'll feel like you've been hit by a truck. That's not the diet's fault. That's electrolyte neglect. So get your sodium up to 4 to 6 grams per day minimum. Use bone broth, mineral water, and magnesium supplements as needed. Then comes the fat to fuel shift. Fat becomes your energy source. You lever for mood, satiety, and well-being. But protein is still your priority. Protein preserves muscles, supports hormones, and drives metabolism. And once protein is covered, adjust the fat as your lever, more for energy and comfort, less when you're in fat loss phase. That's how you build metabolic stability, not crash diets and willpower. So people love to say carnivore is too limited. But when you do it right, it's one of the most nutrient dense diets on the planet. And here's how you get variety without touching a salad: beef for zinc, iron, and carnitine, lamb for stearic acid and CLA, eggs for choline, biotin, and vitamin A, seafood for omega-3s, iodine, and selenium, chicken and duck for glycine and collagen support, organs like liver, heart, kidney for vitamins A, B12, folate, and CoQ10. That's not restrictive, that's precision nutrition. If you rotate those foods, you're covering your micronutrient bases better than most people eating balanced diets full of processed foods. So some people don't quit carnivore because it stops working. They quit because life gets loud. Dinner invites, family holidays, social pressure. It starts to wear you down a little bit if you let it. Keto carnivore flexibility can solve that. Adding low-tox carbs like avocado, olives, or full Greek yogurt can make this lifestyle livable long-term. It's all about being able to sustain eating this way. The goal was never restriction forever. It's healing first, flexibility second. And then there's the big fear, cholesterol. People see their LDL rise and panic. Doctors freak out, influencers pivot, and everyone starts chasing carbs again. But if HDL is up and your triglycerides are down and inflammation is low, that's not a crisis. That's metabolic repair in progress. Your body's using fat efficiently and cholesterol is the courier. Let's talk about the YouTube factor. Some people aren't leaving carnivore. They're rebranding it for clicks. Animal-based, fruit inclusive, carnivore 2.0. It's marketing, not metabolism. That creates confusion and comparison. But you can't copy paste someone else's biology. Here's my honest advice as a coach, as a clinician, and as someone who's walked this road. You have to eat for your biology. YouTube is a wonderful resource. Heck, I'm on YouTube right now. It's where we learn, share, and get inspired. But remember, every person you see online has a different metabolism, a different history, and a different set of goals. I have two clients right now who are both keto veterans and both recently transitioned to carnivore. One was under eating severely because you're really satiated. She stalled for months. So the other client is a classic topi, thin on the outside, fat on the inside. This person's cholesterol shot through the roof because of underlying insulin resistance. We're addressing that with a modified macro ratio, lab tracking, and gradual fat adjustment. Two people, same diet label, completely different coaching approaches. That's why personalized strategy matters. And if you're struggling to find out what's right for your metabolism and you're just thinking about starting a low carb diet, get my ebook, Keto Made Simple. It's your step-by-step guide to understanding macros, electrolytes, and the metabolic foundation before you even think about going carnivore. And when you're ready for next level transformation, apply for one-on-one coaching. Just leave me a comment in this video and I'll connect with you. I'll walk you through it personally. Links are below in the description because it isn't about chasing trends. It's about reclaiming your health. So are carnivores really jumping ship? I don't think all of them are. I think some are just misinformed. Others are evolving, but here's the real success stories. They're adapting, learning, and personalizing. Carnivore isn't broken, it's just misunderstood. And if you feed your body what it truly needs, it will heal, rebalance, and reward you. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Stay curious, stay strong, and stay primal. I'll see you in the next video.